Seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten signal sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatili munang nakaupo at hintayong matanggal ng ilaw ng fasten signal sign bago tayo tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay may ipinagbabawal. On behalf of Air Entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew Captain Ignacio with First Officer Satentes, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was really a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
May katay siya. Katay. Oo. Ang galing yun eh.